Welcome to the Jensen Product Focus Series. In this video, we'll review the Jensen CAR710, CAR710X, and the CAR710W multimedia receivers. Looking for a touchscreen multimedia receiver that can do it all? These Jensen multimedia receivers all have vibrant 7-inch touchscreen displays, making managing your music and apps effortless and convenient. With support from both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, these receivers let you control key phone features directly from the receiver's touchscreen or via voice control, significantly reducing driver distraction. Ask Siri or the Google Assistant to send, read, and reply to text messages or to make and receive calls. Request turn-by-turn directions. Apple Maps or Google Maps will be displayed on the receiver's screen. Access your favorite music and podcasting apps directly through the receiver's touchscreen or via the phone assistant. The CAR710W even supports a wireless connection to Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, allowing your phone to automatically connect without ever leaving your pocket or purse. Additionally, the CAR710X and the CAR710W are Sirius XM ready, and all three receivers feature USB inputs for audio and video playback, steering wheel control inputs, 3 pairs of 4-volt preamp outputs, and 240 watts of total power. A rear camera input provides the option of installing a backup camera to see your surroundings clearly as you reverse. For audiophiles, Jensen also takes music playback one step further, allowing you to digitally delay the closest speaker so the sound from each speaker reaches your ears simultaneously. The Jensen CAR710, CAR710X, and CAR710W do it all, ensuring you and your passengers are safe and well entertained wherever the road takes you.